All right, so I wasn't sure what to expect because I ended up getting a couple of things in the mail today. Um, was for sure expecting maybe one, but I ended up getting two packages today, so gonna be just doing a quick unboxing video for both of them. Looks like Facebook is down. It's been pretty much down all day, so I might not be posting them on there right away, but get it posted on YouTube here for the time being. First item up here is the Zobie Pop Culture box. The themes for this box are Pretty in Pink, Goonies, Stand By Me, and Coming to America. And I'm not a huge fan of Pretty in Pink, but I like the movie and I love the other three movies, so it's very cool to have all four of those in one box. So first off, the item is a shirt. Set this up here. Is it gonna stay? Yes, it is. So first item in there is a shirt, gray t-shirt. As much as I like wearing all black all the time, it's nice to switch it up every once in a while. And the shirt is from Stand By Me. So that is it there. It says, David Hogan guarantees a memorable Tri-County pie eating contest. Gordy reviews it as a complete and total barfarama. KLAM says from the racks to the stacks, it's the best on the wax. And then it says, David Hogan's trademark castor oil. Authentic. Or no, cathartic, not authentic. Cathartic. Not for winning, but for revenge. Dose, chug entire bottle. Warning, Hogan's castor oil is not responsible for any ruined public events or outings. Net weight, 2 fluid ounces, 1986 milliliters. So, that is from Stand By Me, which is a great Stephen King movie. One of the only movies that doesn't have any horror resemblance to it per se. So, definitely cool to have that one. The second item is from the Goonies. And I can tell it's not the more limited edition rare variant, but it is the of 400. And it is Eyed Willy from the Goonies. Definitely cool to add that pin to my collection. Love that movie. The other next item here is from Coming to America. And it is a gold coin from Zamunda. And it's of Akeem, the Prince of Zamunda, on there. And that is played by... oh, why am I spacing out his name? I wrote for a second there. Played by Eddie Murphy. So it's the Zamunda 5 pounds, 1988, which is also the year I was born. It's kind of blurry there, but it's 1988 on there. Yeah, so that is definitely a cool prop there. And that means the autograph is from Pretty in Pink. And it is Andrew McCarthy. And that is also JSA certified. So that is awesome as well. And then the thank you card that JR signs a lot of. Imagine how many hand cramps he's gotten over the years. And so this is the cheat sheet. Shows the shirt, the pin with the variant that you could have gotten as well there, the coin, and the different prints you could have gotten of Andrew McCarthy from Pretty in Pink. I'm happy with the one I got. It's of the movie cover, so that is cool too. And I do not have an Andrew McCarthy one. My favorite Andrew McCarthy movie was actually indeed Mannequin. So I enjoyed that movie. I also am one of the few, if not, that really enjoyed the second one as well. I also love the cast in the second one. So that is box number 1 for the unpackaging video. Number 2 is not a box. It is an envelope. And it is from Official Picks, which I, for this, have been waiting since April, because I ordered this pre-order in April and sent in a poster for the order. So gonna hop in here with scissors. I made sure that I'm not cutting any areas that might get damaged. Up high enough for it. So this signing was a signing that they did with Geena Davis. So I'm gonna have to pull this out here. And hope the static doesn't get too much here. This is a pretty huge poster, so I'll show you right here. It has the Official Picks COA to it. And there it is. It's signed right there by Geena Davis in lime green. So I am definitely happy to have this back. I have been wanting hers for a long time, and now I still have to get Jeff Goldblum. But I'm excited to have hers there. It's not popping exactly as much as I was hoping it would. But still looks good. This I'll have to find a huge frame for, because this is a pretty big poster. And it was already folded when I got it, so unfortunately it wasn't like a rolled poster. But it is an original movie poster from the movie in 1986 there. So that is it for now. Stay tuned for more. I know I at least have one more box, I believe, on the way. So that'll be really cool to deal and get. Thank you for watching.